First time since we've seen you since the Gold Cup. How's life in Germany treating you?
I've been there for about a month now. Been started and playing right away, and we've been winning quite a bit. We're on top of the league right now, so it's been good.
And obviously, you've played in Germany for a lot of your career.
Yeah.
You now come here with Benito, who obviously is Spanish. Are there styles of play under the playing in Germany than here? What's it like?
There is definitely. We've had a few days now to get used to it, but he definitely wants a lot of different things, things that will take time to to practice a lot and working into games. But I think all the guys are buying into it right now, and like I said, it'll take time. But we're looking to buy into it and try to use it in the games.
Do you enjoy having to figure out different styles of play? Obviously, it makes you a more complete player.
It does. Yeah, it makes you obviously able to adapt to different situations when you're in the game. Obviously, there's some points that we can use from Benito to bring back to our clubs. That'll make us, like you said, a more complete player.
Obviously, still a long way to go before World Cup qualifying resumes. What do you hope to get accomplished with Mr. Floro here, and then in the long term as we get ready for qualifying?
Yeah, just obviously right now, we're not looking that far ahead. Obviously, we have a game tomorrow. We just want to take what he has told us in the last week and try to take small steps forward, because it's a lot of information to take in a few days. So we're looking to take what we've learned in the last couple of days and move it forward. Obviously, then the more camps we'll be in, the more we're going to learn, and the more we'll obviously use to use in the games.
Today was the most animated I've seen him at the end of the session.
Yeah.
Granted, I've only seen a few sessions. Has he been like that at all during the camp, or has he been staying quiet?
That was the first time I'd seen it as well. I mean, I didn't come here for the whole camp, but that was the first time I'd seen it, and I think that's good. Obviously, it wasn't, we want more of the games than what was shown, I think, yesterday, and I think everyone knows that. And I think there's obviously going to be, every coach, in my opinion, has to do that sometimes when things aren't the way he wants them to be. And I think the point came across, and I think we're going to be ready for tomorrow to put in a good performance.
Thanks a lot, Adam.
All right, thanks.
Cheers, man.